lingers near me, chiming bells of long ago.
Hey, this is Ed, and this is a teaser for a pilot project that I've been working on for a while. It's the classic zombie apocalypse, but with my own take on it. I wanted to create a project without any boundaries or limits, so I decided to make it entirely by myself. While writing the story, it was really about discovering places I haven't seen before. This film is mainly focused on characters and emotions. There are a few characters that I've established and am satisfied with, and this whole story takes place in a day, hence the name, The Last Day. I wanted this project to be stylized, so every shot is painted, but instead of painting every frame of the footage, I painted the keyframes and used Ebsynth to paint the remaining frames in between. Otherwise, it would have been crazy amount of work. The pilot will be released any day from now. Not only will you be able to enjoy the pilot, but I'll be showing the entire process step by step, giving you the behind the scenes look at how it was done, so you can apply the same techniques and create your own. And so follow me and get ready for an epic journey into the universe of The Last Day.